99% of students grab logs first, but that's the mistake. Logs are not the key. Rewriting is the key. Let me show you the simple rewrite that unlocks everything. And once you see this trick, you will never use logs directly again. So we have equation 9 to the power y times 27 to the power y is equal to 36. So I'm going to rewrite this term as 3 square to the power y times this term as 3 cube to the power y is equal to 36. Now we can multiply these two exponents because a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. Therefore, I'm going to apply this exponent law here. So we can rewrite this term as 3 to the power 2y and 3 to the power 3y is equal to 36. So our equation will be 3 to the power 2y times 3 to the power 3y is equal to 36. Now we have base 3 common for both terms. Therefore, I'm going to rewrite this term as 3 to the power 2y plus 3y is equal to 36 because a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Therefore, our equation will be, when we add these two terms 2y and 3y, it will be 5y is equal to 36. Now it's the right time to use log on both sides so we can easily find out the value of y. Therefore, I'm going to taking log on both sides, so our equation will be log 3 to the power 5y is equal to log 36. Now we know this formula log a to the power b is equal to b log a. So I'm going to apply this formula here. So our new equation will be 5y log 3 is equal to log 36. Is equal to log 36. Therefore, 5y is equal to log 36 over log 3. Now, I'm going to rewrite this term 36 as 3 times 12. So, our equation will be 5y is equal to log 36 as 3 times 12 over log 3. Now again we can use this formula log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. Therefore, our new equation will be 5y is equal to log 3 plus log 12 over log 3. Now let me put this log 3 in the denominator of both terms. So our equation will be 5y is equal to log 3 over log 3 plus log 12 over log 3. Now simply we can cancel out log 3 with log 3. Therefore, this term will be 1 plus, let's rewrite this 12 as log 3 times 4 over log 3. Therefore, 5y is equal to 1 plus, I'm going to separate this log 3 times 4 as log 3 over log 3 plus log 4 over log 3. So again this term log 3 over log 3 will be 1. So it will be 1 plus 1 plus log 4 as 2 square over log 3. Therefore, 5y is equal to, this term will be 2 plus, this term will be 2 log 2 over log 3. Now let's apply this log formula here. Log a over log b is equal to log a base b. Therefore, our equation is 5y is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 base 3. Therefore, y is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 base 3 over 5. So this is our value of y. Now let's check this value of y for our equation, which was 9 to the power y times 27 to the power y is equal to 36. Before we put the value of y, let's rewrite this term as 3 to the power 2y times 3 to the power 3y is equal to 36. Therefore, this term will be 3 to the power 5y is equal to 36. Now let's put the value of y here. So it will be 3 to the power 5 times y is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 base 3 over 5 is equal to 36. Now we can cancel out this 5 with 5. So this term will be 3 to the power 2 plus 2 log 2 base 3 is equal to 36. Therefore, 3 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 2 log 2 base 3 is equal to 36. Now this term 3 square will be 9 times this term will be 3 to the power log 2 square base 3 is equal to 36. Therefore, 9 times, for this term, I'm going to put 2 square is equal to 36 because we know this formula a to the power log b base a is equal to b. Therefore, 9 times 4 is equal to 36, or we can say 36 is equal to 36. Therefore, our left hand side is equal to right hand side. And that's all it takes. A small step, a big difference in solving exponent problems. Try this trick on the next problem. You will be amazed how easy it gets. See you soon. Goodbye. Take care.